when the company was just an idea on a napkin. I had lunch with Mike Grisham, who was one of our co-founders of the company, and Mike was also president of NeuroCare. And I remember very, very clearly having lunch with him at TR's Bar and Grill in downtown Concord, which is near one of our programs at NeuroCare. And Mike sketched out the idea for Paradigm on that napkin. I'm always amazed, and I've always been amazed by how just, I said, passionate people are about what we do, and just how the commitment they have to doing it, and how hard they work to make it happen. And everyone always goes above and beyond, and it's not just the clinical people who, we've been sort of raised on this, but, the people who have come into the company who have no clinical background and have never even seen a catastrophically injured person, but are still just as committed and just as driven and just as passionate about what we do as an organization.